Okay, I found a work from home job that starts March 23rd and they'll train you. I'm also giving you a very beginner friendly work from home job. You don't want to miss out on this one. So let's start off with a job that starts March 23rd. It comes to us from Mutual of Omaha. Now, some of you may already know this, but if not, I'm going to share this bit of information. Recently, Mutual of Omaha has restructured from a single mutual insurance company into a stock insurance company. I have no idea what that means, but I do know their careers page does have current remote jobs open. So if I was interested in the job I'm about to share, I would definitely go for it, but I have no idea what your comfort level is. But I do know this job did come directly off the company's careers page, and the company is still active. So the job I'm talking about is for a distribution operations analyst. It's full-time remote anywhere within the United States, and they're taking applications through February 23rd, 2026. So this job is in the claims department. It's part of the customer service claims processing division. You'll work in a fast-paced, high-production environment, managing contracts, compliance, and regulatory requirements with accuracy and efficiency. This role handles a high volume of calls and requests, supports producers across all distribution channels, and ensures timely commission payments and regulatory appointments. And they tell us strong relationship building, multitasking, and attention to detail are essential to maintaining compliance and delivering a seamless experience. So you'll start this job March 23rd, and they'll train you for up to 7 weeks. I assume the training session will start right around March 23rd, and your schedule will be Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time Zone hours, and you don't have to live in the Central Time Zone. Just translate your local hours to those hours. And we can see right here, they tell us they'll pay you $22.50 per hour plus an annual bonus opportunity. So yeah, you'll provide exceptional customer service via phone, email, and other channels, explaining contractual and regulatory guidelines. You'll manage contracting, licensing appointments, terminations, and renewals while ensuring compliance with regulations, establishing accurate pay structures, and submitting forms to state insurance departments on time. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to do on a regular basis. You need to be adaptable and flexible. You thrive in a fast-paced environment with frequent business and regulatory changes. You're a problem solver. You can navigate multiple systems. You're a self-starter and a strong communicator. And they have a few preferred qualifications. Whenever I see preferred, that tells me they're just preferred. They're not required. Read through them. If you meet any of these preferences, definitely include them on your resume. So the next opportunity is a very beginner-friendly work-from-home job. It comes to us from the company MSS Inc. So they're a prominent family-owned company specializing in third-party services for the relocation industry, and they've been around since 1978. So what we're going to do is land on their careers page, and we're going to scroll down to see the jobs they have listed. So the one I'm talking about today is an operations and dispatch coordinator. It is full-time remote anywhere within the United States. I did not see any location restrictions, and you'll work Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time Zone hours. And because this is a fully remote position anywhere in the U.S., you don't have to live in the Eastern Time Zone. And you will have to do some seasonal overtime along with rotating yearly Saturday hours. So what you're going to do in this job is assist operations in daily tasks, managing escalations, and addressing order coverage challenges. You'll actively recruit new contracts to expand primary and specialist network, research and provide solutions for unique services requested by customers, generate quotes for work orders received, and actively answer calls and messages, consistently communicating and providing support to the primary network. And all you need is a high school degree. You can work Monday through Friday, 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Time. They prefer you have a bachelor's degree. That's just preferred. It's not required. You're able to work overtime as well as rotating yearly Saturday hours, and you have a quiet, distraction-free designated workstation. They prefer you have experience in operations, supply chain management, customer service, logistics, or related fields. It's a plus you have prior customer relationship management system experience, and it's highly desired and valued you have relocation and mover industry experience, and those last 3 things are not required. And then, of course, you need all your typical soft skills. You're comfortable using computers. You're familiar with Microsoft Office products. You have intermediate skills in Microsoft Excel. And you have basic math skills. And as far as the pay, I'm just scrolling around to see if they tell us how much they pay. And I don't see it anywhere on this job description. But based on my experience looking at similar roles, I have a feeling this job will pay anywhere from $16 to $18 per hour, but I can't guarantee that. You'll have to work out your salary with them. So hopefully one of these work from home jobs works out for you. And if you're looking for more work from home jobs, you can find some in this video right here. Thank you so much for visiting. I truly appreciate your support, and I'll meet you on the next job lead.